Hello everyone, welcome back to Home Online Market. Hello everybody, my name is Destiny. I'm so glad that I'm a student of Substitution. See, look, if you know that you want more content on the topic is teaching you look, you have to subscribe to this channel. You are Samaki, leave me alone. You have to subscribe to this channel. It's very, very important. So if you like, don't subscribe. I'm going to learn. Begin. And wait, I've not finished. Hit the bell. After hitting the bell, make sure that you like the video and comment. Just by watching it, you will say something that you like to you. Don't mind them sometimes it's that way. Just watch the video. Welcome back everyone to Home Online Maths Education. First of all, I want to use this opportunity to appreciate all those who have been watching my video from the very beginning to the end. It has been a very great pleasure to me, and I promise you all that I will try my best to give you the best video so far on maths so that you will not miss out on anything and so that you'll be able to do well in your classes. So today we'll be treating the same topic on simultaneous equation. We have some work to do that we have not yet treated, and we'll be doing that in today's video. Now forgive me, I'll be a little bit fast compared to the way I did last time because I treated the video already in the best way that you can understand it. So if you are just watching this video for the first time and you haven't watched how to solve my simultaneous equation, I bet you that you try to watch this video from right now to the very end so that you will see a video popping up on the screen that will direct you to my first video on simultaneous equation. From there, when you watch that particular video, you will be able to understand how to solve simultaneous equation without any troubles. So now that we are already here, let's drive right into the reason why we came here. Now, first of all, before we start things like this, we all know that this is maths, right? So it's very important that things as such as this should be committed into the hands of God for perfect understanding. So why not you join me and let us spare God some seconds of our time as you repeat this prayer after me. My mind is where I am. When I study, I must remember and understand. So help me God. As easy as that. So let's drive right into the reason why we're here today. As you can see, we still have on the board simultaneous equation. So please forgive me, I'll be a little brief in solving this simultaneous equation. The most important thing is that you check your work because I left this as an assignment for you all who watched my previous video. So check your work and then do your comparison and be sure where you must have made a mistake if you don't get the answer after today's video. Now we can see on the board that we have minus 2x plus 3y equal to 19 as our first equation, and the second equation is 2x plus y. Now if you can remember all the steps that I told you about solving simultaneous equation, I said the first thing that should come into your mind is consider the equation that you want to use. Then you begin with the first statement using either equation 1 or using equation 2. Then I said after putting down your equation, the next thing you do is you'll find the subject. Then after finding your subject, the next statement that comes after that is either you use the word substituting or putting that equation, the equation you got after making your subject, the equation you got, that is what you are going to substitute in the next equation. Since we have equation 1 and we have equation 2. So that means the first step is using equation 1 or using equation 2. Then the next step, substituting into equation 1 or substituting into equation 2. Then after that, once you notice that you are through with solving that particular second equation, the next thing that comes into your mind is grouping of like terms. Then after grouping of like terms, you now substitute whatsoever you got. Assuming it was x that you got first, then you have to substitute your answer for x into any of the equations at all, either equation 1 or equation 2 or equation 3, so you can get for y. Then assuming it was y that you got first, what you have to do is substitute your answer, which is y, into any of the equations, either equation 1, 2 or 3, then you can get the other result. So let's drive right into this very question. So we have minus 2x plus 3y equal to 19 as our equation 1. Now equation 2 is 2x plus y equal to 1. Now like I said, I would love to use equation 1 using equation 1. Now we are going to make 3y the subject. 3y equal to 19. Now this is negative 2x. It's going to cross this side. So since it's negative 2x, crossing this side, it becomes plus 2x. Now at this point, we divide both sides by 3 so that y can stay alone. Now this becomes our equation 3. At this point, we are going to substitute our equation 3 into equation 2 since we have already used equation 1. So substitute equation 3 into equation 1. So well, first of all, into equation 2. So first of all, write out the equation 2x plus y equal to 1. Now we'll substitute this into this equation. So we have 2x plus, our y is what? 19 plus 2x divided by 3 is equal to 1. Now at this point, we are going to find our LCM. This is over 1 and this is over 1. So our LCM here is 3, right? So we'll put here the 3, which is our LCM. So 2x divided by 1 plus the 3 here. So 19 plus 2x divided by 3. Then we have equal to 3, 1 over 1. Now we'll close the bracket. So at this, we use the 3 to multiply the 2x. So 3 times 2x, we'll be getting 6x. 6x plus, now this 3 will be cancelling this 3 over here. Now at this point, 19 remains. So 19 plus 2x is equal to 3. So at this point, we are going to group like terms, like I said to you. We are grouping like terms. So grouping like terms now, the 6x and the 2x remains. 6x plus 2x. Now equal to 3. Now this 19 is a positive number, so crossing over it becomes negative 19. At this point, 6x plus 2x is 8x. Equal to 3 minus 19, we'll be getting negative 16. So at this point, we'll divide both sides by 8 so that x can stay alone. So we'll be getting our x equal to negative 2. Now the next thing we'll do at this point is substitute the result we have gotten for x into the next equation or into any of the equations at all. So that means we are substitute x equal to negative 2 into equation 3. Okay, equation 3 looks a little bit bulky. Let's use equation 2 again. So our equation 2 is 2x plus y is equal to 1. 2x plus y equal to 1. Now we'll substitute the result we got for x into this place, which means wherever we say x, that's where we're going to place this result, negative 2. So which means we are getting 2, then place the result in here. Negative 2 plus y is equal to 1. So 2, we all know that 2 times negative 2 will surely give us negative 4 plus y is equal to 1. So at this point, we'll make y the subject, which means y stays alone. We place the equal to sign in front of it. Then 1. Then this negative 4 crosses over and becomes plus 4. So we now get y is equal to 5. So which means now that we have our x, which is what? Negative 2, and our y, which is equal to what? 5. Now let's place the result right here. X equal to negative 2 and y equal to 5. Okay, now to move further, we have the next question after number 2. And that next question is x minus y equal to 1, then x plus y equal to 5. I don't really see the need of doing this, but for a sake, let me just go ahead and do it. This question is very, very easy. For those who must have tried the question, kudos to you. It's very important that you try your hands on all these questions because practice makes perfect. If you don't work after a teacher has released his knowledge to you, then you don't just expect to grow into perfection. You have to keep trying over and over again to grow into perfection. Okay, welcome back. Let's now try the next question. Now you can see on the board that we have x minus y equal to 1 as our equation 1, and the next question is x plus y equal to 5 as our equation 2. So at this point, I'll decide to use equation 2. So let's just go straight to the point. Instead of repeating the equation again, we're just going to using equation 2 at this point. So we have x plus y is equal to 5, right? So we are going to make x the subject. So x now is equal to 5 minus y. And this is our equation 3. So we are going to substitute our equation 3. Substitute equation 3 into equation 1. So now we write down our equation 1, which is x minus y equal to 1. So now our x will just represent it over here. So we are getting what? 5 minus y is equal to 1. So at this point, we are now grouping items, right? Grouping like things. Please ensure that you are following up. Anything that will distract you, just take it away from you and concentrate in this lesson so that you don't miss out. Now, grouping of like terms. At this point, minus y will give us negative 2y equal to 1. And then this is positive 5. Crossing over, it becomes negative 5. So we are getting negative 2y equal to 4, right? Yes, equal to 4. So at this point, we divide both sides by negative 2. Okay, sorry, we are getting negative 4 right here. So that means our y is now equal to 2. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. So, which means when we are dividing negative 2, when we are dividing negative 4 by negative 2, for sure we are supposed to be getting 2. So now let's move on to the next. We are going to substitute y into equation, let's use equation 1. So our equation 1 now is what? X minus y equal to 1. Then what's the next step? We'll just represent this y. So x minus 2 is equal to 1. So we're getting our x equal to what? Now we are grouping like terms again. So now x is equal to 1 plus 2. So our x now is equal to 3. So which means that y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. So this is all for simultaneous equation. Probably on my next video, I'll be teaching on quadratic equation. So it's very important that you notice all these things. And like I said previously, it's also very important that you try your hands on these questions. You don't just expect to be taught and then you don't try your hands on it. Like I said, practice makes perfect. That was what I said before. I'm still saying it again. So please try your hands on these questions and then keep trying your hands continuously on this topic to get perfect in it. So this is all for today. If you know you really enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then try to share this video to your friends and families. There might be one person or the other who might have headache on how to solve this simultaneous equation, but since you have shared the video to that person, the person improves on solving simultaneous equation, and thereby you have touched somebody's life. That's the reason why I created this channel, for everybody's life to be touched and improved on mathematics mathematically. It's very important. So please, assuming you have any questions, you can put all your questions down in the comments below. If you have learned about this video, then you love the content, you can put down all you feel about the video below and then like the video so that others out there can feel touched to keep watching this video, and then thereby everybody keeps improving in math. So thank you all for watching. Like I said, do not forget to subscribe. See you next time. Remain safe. Till next time, we shall meet again.